Sure. What's good, everybody? Hope everyone is having a great day. All right, so today I am unboxing the Motorola Razr 2025 from Total Wireless. But while you see me unboxing it, I gotta tell you about the crazy chaos story that I had to go through to even get this phone in. All right, so I ordered the phone on May 16th from Total Wireless. Even paid for the extra shipping to get it in 2 days, thinking everything was good because I know that it came out on May 15th. Well, that didn't go as planned. So as I'm sitting here waiting 3-4 days for even a tracking to come to my email, I'm like, yo, what's going on? I should at least had a tracking, show me what UPS is at or something. Nothing. So then what did I do? Contact Total Wireless. While waiting on hold for pretty much 40 minutes, finally getting to a representative. The representative tells me, oh, I don't see your order in the system. I'm like, that can't be, because I obviously got the order number. I did get that through an email, but I just didn't get any tracking or any update on the order. Okay, cool. So while I'm going back and forth with the rep, like, I have the order here. I can even see it online. I can even see it on my email. She continues to tell me that they don't have an order for me, just to continue waiting, blah, 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 blah. Boom. Okay, cool. So then, knowing me, I want to do a little bit of research on it to see what is actually going on. So then I do go on Reddit, and while I'm on Reddit, I'm like, hey, I'm seeing people saying that all of the Verizon and even the Total Wireless, pretty much Straight Talk, Visible, all the ones that's under Verizon, all of their phones pretty much getting pushed back. Reason being, no one knows. Some say maybe a fire that happened in one of the Verizon stores or something like that, or just a back order on a shipment. But there was no word from Verizon itself or Total Wireless or Visible or anybody that's under Verizon. So myself and other customers are just stuck wondering like what's going on. So I contact Total Wireless back a few days after that, like, hey, what's the update with my order, blah, 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 blah. This rep now says they see it, but they had to transfer me over to their warehouse department because it's saying some pending fulfillment, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. So now they send me to the warehouse department, and now the warehouse department is telling me, oh, it's on a back order on our end, blah, 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 blah. What we can do is, if you want, we can put in a ticket to have it canceled. But there's no guarantee on that, because depending on where the phone is at, like if it's already on the way to Total Wireless warehouse, then they can't cancel it, but they can put a ticket in for it, or just wait it out. Then when they finally get it, if I want to cancel it, just don't accept the package from UPS, which if it already come, I'm gonna just take it because I already paid for it. So then what I do, I wait maybe 2 more days to see what's going on with it. Contact again, literally no lie, contact again. The next rep that I finally get to says, oh, this and that, it should be moving soon. Sorry for the inconvenience, but yeah, it definitely should be moving soon, and you should be getting it. That I got off the phone, literally an hour later, I get a tracking to my email. I get everything saying like, oh, thank you for your purchase order with Total Wireless. Here go your tracking to UPS, blah, blah, blah. Unfortunately, Memorial Day was the last Monday, so I had to wait an extra day for me to get it in or whatever, and voila, I got it in on that Tuesday, the Monday, the Tuesday after that Monday, and got my phone in. But it just took so long to get it with no information from Total Wireless or nothing. And myself and other customers would have been stuck because it is a deal going on at Total Wireless, where you pay the 3 months up front, you pretty much get the phone free. But they have it in small print where there's no cancellations on this type of promo. But it's like, if a person don't get their phone, you gotta allow them to cancel it, because that's on you guys, it's not on the customer. You see what I'm saying? So it was just a whole big thing, back and forth. They don't have to order, they do have to order. It's back ordered. You don't know when you're gonna get it. They don't know when you're gonna get it. Verizon ain't saying anything. It was just a lot of BS, honestly. But I got the phone. It's here, and I'm going to play around with it, see how it is, and thank you guys for checking out the video. Continue watching the rest of it to see the rest of the phone, and I'll holler at you guys next time. Thank you.